Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with Vichel and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing origami flapping dragon model. Let me show it to you how it looks. This is origami flapping dragon model. We had a flapping bird model, and this is very similar to this, but a modified version of flapping bird turns into a flapping dragon. So flapping dragon model will need a square piece of paper, can be of any color. This is similar to flapping bird which we made earlier, so the steps remains almost same till a point, and then we'll modify the bird to form a dragon. So let's begin. So first you will fold along the diagonal axis. You need to fold along both the diagonal axes to form a X when you open it, like this. Now you turn your sheet. Now we fold along the horizontal axis from edge to edge. Open it back. Again we fold along the second horizontal axis or the vertical axis, whatever you like to call it as. Alright, so now we need to fold it along these creases like this. This goes in this like that, and this goes in this like this. So you have a close tip corner and you have an open corner like this. So towards the open corner we have two flaps on this side and two flaps on this side. So fold one flap, take the reference like this, and fold it like this. Similarly we do it on this side. Properly fold it from edge to edge. Repeat the same on the back side. You can take the reference of the back flap folding which you just did, or you can take it like this, the way I am taking it. Fold it properly. Now there is this bottom triangle here. You need to fold this triangle upwards like this. Press it properly and also fold it on this side, because this will need this fold crease, basically we'll need it later. So now you open these two flaps, open this one layer, and then see this fold crease will be needed for folding like this. And now fold it back. Adjust the edges properly. Like this, and fold it back. Similarly we do it on this side. Open the flaps, open it like this, and close the flaps. This is exactly same as we do it for flapping bird. Now you fold it like this, and this flap you fold it on this side. Now you fold these layers, these two cones or two triangles, one at this point slightly above like this, as you can see, slightly above this point. Press it. Similarly we do it on this side. Fold this slightly above and this point, and then fold it. And now you fold these two flaps above like this. These are the wings of the dragon. So for flapping bird, all we do is just fold these two wings down, one fold, and then we make a beak, and that's it. It's done. But then for dragon, the actual change begins from this point. So let's modify it to form the dragon. So now we need to fold this portion like this, downwards. Press it properly, and then you open this and fold this upwards. Actually, let's fold it like this side, this way, and then if we fold it like this, you'll get a proper. From here you need to fold it from approximately this point. Press it so that it will be easy to fold. Then open and fold it like this. So it forms a, what do you call, a horn and a mouth style dragon. So yeah, like this. You can adjust it accordingly and make it. This is how it looks. Now here also you fold it down. And before this, let's do it here. So you open this flap here, then you fold these till this point, like this, and also on this side, like this, and then align this properly like this. See, this is how it forms. Now it looks like a dragon head and the body or neck, like this. Now for this side, what we do is, you had folded like this, right? Now you fold it like this here. Make it straight like this, slightly. Yeah, this is how it looks. Now here this triangle, we need to fold it and then we need to push it inside basically. So let's fold it like this. Till this point we'll be pushing it, so fold it tightly. You should have a stiff grease over there, like this, and then you open it like this and slowly get that shape. Basically you have these two right here. Yeah, as you can see, slowly make it like this, and then fold it like this inside. Basically the triangle is gone now. See, it resembles a dragon now, slightly like this. Also here we fold it inwards, like this. This is how it looks. Now we need to fold these wings slightly. We need to form a pattern over here. So first you fold one slit like this, and then let's try to form a symmetry on both the sides, like this. Now we fold one more press it tightly, fold one more, press it tightly, keep on folding it till you reach the edge like this. Similarly, we do it on this side. You fold like this, press it properly, fold it like this, press it properly, and the last one. Now you open all these flaps again, all these folds again. See, it gets a shape like this. And now we fold this one flap like this, not too much actually, let's fold it slightly here like this. Similarly, to form the symmetry, I'll just take a reference and then fold it like this. And this is the flapping dragon, the final flapping dragon. This is how it looks. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.